Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable Steam friend notifications. I'll show you guys how to do that. Let's jump straight into it guys. First open up Steam. Click on Steam tab over here and select settings. On left side select notifications. On right side under friends notifications choose to show a notification toast, play a sound or both. With a friend join a game, when a friend come online, when I receive a direct chat message, when I receive a chat room notification. Turn off all of these guys, and if you want anything to turn on you just need to turn it on. Show toast or play sound by your preferences, turn it on guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.